Greetings to everyone. My name is Hashundan Selvakumar from DDT-P3. My matrix number is 01 DDT 20F 2026. Today I want to present about the practical task 1 from ITN, which is Introduction to Network. So let's go to our topic. I want to share the word. Here's the given task. So for the part 1, we need to connect the router fast Ethernet from 0/0 to the cloud with the Ethernet 6. Then in step 2, we need to connect the cloud and to the cable modem, which is in cloud, we need to connect the coax 7 cable to the modem, which is port 0. Next, in part 2, step 1, we need to connect the router to router 1. So we need to connect the correct cable, which is the fast cable, from the serial number 0/0/0 to the router 1, which is serial 0/0. As you've seen here, if the cables are connected rightly, it will show the green light here. So the next is the NetaCard PKA. So here also we need to choose the cable. If the cable is connected correctly, first it will be blinked in amber color. Then it will change to the green light spot like this. So for the step 3, we need to connect the router 0 to the configuration table. As you see here, we can use the normal cable, the wire, to connect the configuration terminal and the router 0. So after you connect, you can see the black spot. If you see this black spot, it means the wire is correctly connected to the router to configuration terminal. For the part 3, we need to connect the remaining device, which is the cable modem, to the wireless router. So for the step 1, we need to connect the router to switch. So we need to connect the router 1 F1/0 to switch F0/1. If you press the router 1, you can see there got the F1/0. You need to press that and you need to connect with the switch, which is F0/1. So for the step 2, we need to connect the cable modem to wireless router. So you need to choose the correct cable to connect cable modem port, and the wireless router. So here you need to connect the wire at the port 1, the cable modem. Then in the wireless router, you need to connect to the internet port. So next is connect the wireless router to family PC. As you see, I use the same cable as a cable modem and wireless router. So if you see, every cable is connected are the green light. So it's all you did correct because it's all in green in color. So in part 4, you need to verify the connection, which is test the connection from family PC to NetaCard PKA. So you need to ping the NetaCard PKA. So as you see, here got given the NetaCard PKA ping. So as you see, here I ping the NetaCard. So pinging 10.0.0.258.254 with the 32 bytes of data. Then here you can see the replies. So next is you need to open the web browser and the web address. And you need to open the web browser and enter http://netacard.pka. So here the result is shown. Next, you need to ping the switch from home PC. So the ping of home PC is given as you've seen before. So there is pinging 172.60.0.2 with the 32 bytes of data. As you see, here's the reply from the home PC from there. Next, step 3, you need to open router 0 from configuration terminal. So as you see, I successfully open the terminal of configuration terminal and accept the default settings. So it will show like this. So I enter and view the router in the command prompt. So here, the command prompt showing the router 0. So I enter, show IP interface brief. Here's the result. So next is examining the physical topology. So first, we need to examine the cloud. So I go click in the home city icon. So I need click the physical workspace tab, press Shift P or Shift L to toggle between the logical and physical workplace. Now as you see, you can click the home icon city, then click the cloud icon. So there are two types of wire in the diagram. So if you see how many wires are connected to the switch in the blue rack, there are 2 wires will be connected to the blue rack. So next is the assignment, the primary network. So in primary network, what is located on the table to the right of the blue rack is a configuration terminal. So in step 3, we need to examine the secondary network. What are the 2 orange cables connected to each device? So the orange cables are the fiber cable. So in step 4, we need to examine the home network. So why is there no rack to hold the equipment? Because every time home network, we won't use the rack or hold that. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.